everybody, thanks so much for watching. It's good to see you guys here. Lauren and I took 2 weeks. We were in France. We road tripped the entire thing. We saw so much and did so much and ate so much. Oh, it was incredible. Such a beautiful holiday. There's apparently children getting murdered behind me. Anyways, so 2 weeks worth of footage in France. That equals about 800 gigs worth of videos and photos that I need to edit before I can actually get those vlogs out there. But in the meantime, I've collected my favorite clips and condensed them all down into 60 seconds. Hope you enjoy. Wow, right? I mean, we did so much in 2 weeks. Just be patient with me because I promise it's coming. It's all on its way. So at the end of July, I'm gonna be moving out of Singapore, which means I only have a little less than 2 months here. If there's anything about Singapore that you guys would like to see, let me know in the comments below. I've only got 2 months, but that means that I could still like check some stuff out before I leave. Now, if you wanna see what I've recently been working on, just click up here. Or if you wanna challenge YouTube to see if it can guess what you'll like, click down here. If you don't like that though, let me know. Write a comment on that video and be like, nah, I did not like this video. I always get attacked by bugs. Ugh, Singapore. If you liked the video, slap that like button in the face, bang that bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next week. Okay, I love you, bye!